How to switch KFC location or store. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to the KFC website. Then go to the three lines in the top left, and there you can see find a KFC. Here you'll find an option to put in the location where you're at, and after you hit search, they will show you the nearest location to you. So you can also scroll down and tap on where you are located, and then they will show you a list of KFCs that is near your location, and you can just tap on it and switch to that KFC. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.